Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the synapse. What is synapse? Synapse is the junction between the presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane, or between the one neuron to the another neuron, or one neuron to the muscular tissue. Okay, there are three three parts in the synapse. One first is presynaptic membrane, second is synaptic cleft, that is in between the presynaptic cleft and the postsynaptic cleft, and the third part is the postsynaptic membrane. Presynaptic membrane is always made up of neuron. This is the terminal portion of the neuron axon, and the postsynaptic membrane is made up of it may be the dendrite, or it may be also the muscle. Okay, now in presynaptic membrane there are numerous seminal vesicles which contains the neurotransmitters, and there are different kinds of neurotransmitters that we will discuss in the next video. Okay, now let us discuss how the wave is transmitted. Okay, the wave from the neuron in the form of action potential comes in the terminal portion of the neuron. This opens the voltage gated calcium channel, and the calcium present in the synaptic cleft enters in the presynaptic membrane, and this calcium ion triggers the seminal vesicles, and when they triggers the seminal vesicles, the neurotransmitters present in the seminal vesicles are released in the synaptic junction. Okay, there are different type of neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters binds to the specific binding site in the postsynaptic membrane. There are different binding site for different type of receptor. For talking about acetylcholine is the receptor. Acetylcholine is the receptor present in the neuromuscular junction. Okay, there are cholinergic binding site. They bind to the cholinergic binding site in the postsynaptic membrane, and these act as a ligand, and they open the ligand gated sodium channel in the postsynaptic membrane. And the in postsynaptic membrane, sodium channel, sodium sodium enters, and the sodium helps to in depolarization, and again the depolarization and the repolarization helps in the action potential generation of the action potential, and they transmit in the form of the wave. That is, the wave comes in the presynaptic membrane. They release the acetylcholine or neurotransmitters bind to the different receptor binding site in the postsynaptic membrane. They create they opens the ligand gated sodium channel, and again the action potential is generated. Okay, now in case of neuromuscular junction, this acetylcholine is again breakdown by the acetylcholine esterase enzyme, and they are again recycled, or they move in the presynaptic membrane. In this way, the depolarization and the repolarization creates the action potential from one neuron membrane to the another neuron membrane or another muscular junction. Thank you. This is all about the synapse. Now in the next video we'll talk about another topic. Thank you. Keep on watching.